Chad, good morning. Keeks, I don't know what's going on. It seems the guys have already blown their accounts before CPI. The concurrent viewers, or will it still pick up? The guys busy getting their accounts ready. Chad, how's everyone doing? Everyone doing all right? Just let me know the audio. Something sounds a little bit different here this morning. 1 2 1 2. Can I get a testing 1 2? Audio good, Chad. Hope everyone had a beautiful, beautiful evening, and that you guys are ready for the day. I'm gonna need to do this rather. Let me do this. Keeks, so CPI live with the lads and the gals.
It's gonna be a good one.
Chad, first time in a while. I'm actually feeling a little like a baddie. Depositing some funds, feeling cute. Might lose it all. Tell my wife we eating 2-minute noodles for the rest of the month.
You gotta risk it for that one moment, bro.
Hey, Chad, it's Mo said he's not gonna put some money aside today. So myself and Keegan said, there's only two ways this goes. The one, we're gonna have a smashing day, and he's gonna cry a little bit inside. That's the one. The second one is he's gonna be like, "Damn, I dodged the bullet," and we're gonna like physically cry in front of him.
Yeah, one of us are gonna be crying here in the office. So either one is gonna be crying, or like 4 of us are gonna be crying. It's one of it.
Chad, so yeah, I'm actually just a heads up. I chatted to Vault Markets, and a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is they were so busy last time with NFP that you guys actually crashed the site. So that was a bad thing for them in terms. It's not good for business when things are down. People can't deposit. So this time around, I know they had a lot of meetings with the tech team, a lot of meetings with servers that is being upgraded. So hopefully you guys don't break the servers again. So good and bad, but
I think guys just do as I said to him, our white brother. I think it's Connor. I don't know if he's here in the London session, but if you are going to trade it with us, I suggest go now. In the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, go deposit your money now, just in case, because we never know. That traffic, again, you guys don't understand the amount of numbers that come through. So just make sure those funds are in if you guys are ready to trade CPI with us.
Chad, just a disclaimer, we already did the disclaimer. Do not, here's the thing, with any fundamental event, entering trades beforehand, we still don't know. We can try and depict some type of picture, but nothing is known. So if you put 100 Rand and 200 Rand, you must already be ready to part with it. It's almost all of us are sitting at the casino. I don't condone it. Yeah. I'm not gonna say, hey guys, this is proper trading, but it is still.
That's fun.
It is still fun. It is still. Some type of gambling. Like if you've never been to the casino, gambling is fun. We're not gonna say, oh, I hate No, gambling is quite fun. So anyways, so
I think we spoke about it yesterday, guys. Like Chris said, that whatever you're going to trade today, make sure it is money you are prepared to part ways with, because we can be confident in the move, but things can always go against you. And that's what we said. We don't promote trading news like this. That's why we don't do these things normally. But for the shits and gigs, for the boys, we're going to do it today. But again, just please, if you are going to trade it with us, just be prepared for either way.
We're going to have keys. I'm actually going to get my account up as well, so that when you live stream, you can have both our accounts.
No, you'll literally have, you guys can see the accounts like on the line. What we put it on the line for this, and just having some fun with it.
All right, Chad. Beautiful. Thanks, guys. My hair's a little bit of a mess. I had to use conditioner this morning, so it's not sitting like I wanted to, Keeks. But what do you think?
My man looks like he's straight out of California, bro.
Chad.
That little curl there in the front.
Look at this.
Looks like he just ran out of the beach.
The boys really put in some work. Shout out to Fubs at Shag. So, Chad, before we start, Keeks can tell you, I already got us some wisdom here out of the God's Daily Wisdom for Men. And I'm just going to quickly read this. I'm just going to read the end. It's about prime of life, and it's actually more to do with guys that are aged between 45 and 65. Still very young, but it's talking about the older age. That's still the prime. But the verse I want to read right at the end here before we pray is Psalm 92, verse 14, where it says, "They will still bear fruit in old age. They will stay fresh and green." So it just talks about your relationship with God, doing the things of God will just keep you refreshed and renewed. Doing bad things like Jason did yesterday, that will just make you stinky. Like I told my son, if he's got a bad attitude, I'm like, "You stink." And he's like, "No, I'm not stink." I'm like, "Yes, with that attitude, you've got a stink on you." So Jason, no one needs to get that stink off him. But anyways, Chad, we are going to pray here this morning, and then we're going to get going. I'm excited for the day. I think it's going to be a good one. We've got some structure breaks, so before we get going, let's pray as always. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory. In Jesus' name, amen, amen. Can I get 2 amens? Just need 2, then we're good.
Chad, but also I think maybe Chris agrees with me, but because of what we're doing today, I think we're not going to talk CPI now. We're not going to talk CPI in London. If you guys want to know what we are doing, what we're looking for, then obviously join us for CPI.
2:10, we're going to start with the CPI prep. It's very simple. For some of you, we already talked about it yesterday, but if you weren't here yesterday, obviously you missed out on that. So here we go, Chad. Keeks ready. Wednesday. The boy has been ready since last night. He told me, listen, you're locked and loaded. Okay, Chad. Obviously, big one. We've got some GDP out of the Eurozone at 11. That's obviously going to move the markets. But there's only one thing. There can only be one today, Chad. Half past. Sorry, man. And cheers to Immune. We are still waiting for the sponsor. So I don't know. Chad, let me know. Cipla. So it's Cipla. We need to get in contact with Cipla. We need a sponsor for this. We cannot be paying 400 Rand for 10 tablets. But anyways, it's not 400 Rand, I'm kidding. But big one today, CPI. I'm not going to say anything more. I'm not going to say anything less. It is CPI. It is retail sales. It is going to be rough. It's going to be messy. It is going to be fun. If you know how to have fun, you're going to have fun with us today. So let's get into the charts. DXY, very simple for me. Beautiful. We talked about this. There's that weekly pivot. Here is the daily breakout zone. this is beautiful for me. I'm expecting now the dollar, if everything goes well today, the dollar could be trading at 104 very, very quickly, very easily. This right here is the pivot level for me on the day, 104.65. I am bearish on the day for the dollar. Hopefully all of these other influences are bullish on the dollar. Please tell me if I'm blocked by most of them, but please let me know if they are bearish on the dollar. Then I might need to have a relook at my charts. Gigs, I don't know if do you still follow some of them? Can we maybe just see if they're bullish or bearish? I don't know, because it scares.
See if we can.
It just scares me if my bias is the same as their bias. Then I need to either sit it out, call it a day, or just keep it moving. Chad, here's the thing, dollar on the weekly low here. So I would love before CPI for it to just range within this Asia range, and to even do something like this, and then to come lower for the rest of the session, and then after the news drive lower. If it drives lower now already today in the session, I don't know, it's going to be tricky for CPI, but let's see. I'm expecting a range bound day up until CPI. I think the guys are going to sit on the side. Nobody's going to make any big moves before that data, so that's going to be interesting for me. Keeks, ready with the dollar. We're going to go over to Keeks now.
Brother. Okay, so let's get into it, guys. So looking for the dollar. I'm still bearish, Chad. We're going to move things around here. Obviously, we are at the weekly supply, so we just want to take note of that possible flip. There is obviously a little top wick, so again, as I said, we just want to take note of this. If you look at market opening to the top side and then the big push back down to go fill that gap. So things are very, very interesting. Obviously, Asia has set purely from the gap open and immediately trading bearish. Now that weekly supply Asia low, so definitely can look for those Asia highs to be tested. We got the daily pivot EQ up here, so we definitely want to take note of that. But again, I said quite a crucial day for the dollar today. And again, it's it's a bit hard to talk about it without dropping too much of what we are looking for. But I think it is a very make or break this moment for the dollar. So where we are at Asia lows, the possible flip, it is literally a Wednesday, so we can see those rejection nows from Monday, Tuesday's opposite plays. It can get very, very interesting. So I think just be very, very aware with DXY today until anything after the news, because as Chris said, I think today it's going to be big. It's going to be a make or break. So you just don't want to get caught on the wrong side. So until that news comes out, I actually think DXY is really just going to park the bus. I don't think we're going to see any big moves. If anything, other than go for these Asian highs, I think we could just see DXY literally hanging around these kind of 50-minute, as you see it, you'll have the 50-minute high, which is also this low area, so nice little range we got here, and literally just see DXY bounce around like this until the news at 2:30. So nothing too much on DXY for myself today.
Beautiful. Thanks, Keeks. US30 yesterday. Before we actually look at US30, let's look at what Asia did overnight. I think Asia, the way, let's check. Nikkei closing flat. That is very weird. Nikkei had a massive, massive gap to the upside. Almost peaking at 1.3 and then closing the day relatively flat. That is very, very odd from the Japanese bulls, and then Hang Seng closing relatively flat as well. So not really getting any flow or follow through from the US. So that's very odd. Let's check the stream list here. What am I doing here? Okay, so a little bit of a mixed bag, relatively flat Asia session. US30 yesterday, very interesting price action. I think if you traded it during that opening first 2 hours of the market, I think you got absolutely whacked, destroyed. If you didn't, beautiful, tell me something otherwise. Yesterday, remember, I was bearish for the day, starting off the day, due to the fact that I said this is a potential swing high position. We got a little bit of bearish momentum and we flipped all the way back to the upside. And now we've got this little structure break, continuation break, if you want to call it that. The only thing though is we're still trading below these highs, and I'm going to be very honest with you, we can be very, very bullish once we break through here. So please do not try and short that level, 39,654. Mark that level out, put it somewhere on your wall, say that is the level that I need to monitor. But once we break above there, I think it is gonzo. I think if it's not going to go short from here, and once we get there, I think a lot of retail is going to try and get short there, and this is the kill zone. This is where I think they get murdered. Can I say that? I don't know if these days on social media you can't say a lot, but let's just say they are going to get swept. Is that better? Swept.
I think that's better.
That is better. Yeah, I feel that. So here's that little breakout zone. So I'm expecting, or not expecting, I would love for US30 to be trading down here, closer to CPI, so that I can buy it from there. There you go, very simple. So I'm bullish on the day. Nasdaq, let's see what we are doing on Nasdaq. As mentioned, I was bullish on the week for Nasdaq, bearish on the week for US30. I don't know why it's saying bullish. Wait, let me see, weekly. Okay, now I'm talking shit. I'm bullish on both of them. Where was I ever bearish on the weekly? That is maybe too much pizza. Okay, Nasdaq daily still bullish. Yesterday I was bullish. Today I'm still bullish. So what am I seeing here? Key level. If we're gonna break through here, Chad, I want to say this is a key level there, and then all of these zones here. All of these zones here I see as potential liquidity. So what is the retail market going to do? They are going to say, look at these strong levels. They're going to think from a psychological perspective, saying that, oh, flip, we had all-time highs again. Who's going to buy at all-time highs? What's going to happen here? So they are going to stack shorts here. This is the feeling I've got. And I think once we break through here, it is gonzo. Price is going to just continue higher. We've said it so many times. We are in a cyclical bull market, even though some people are trying to catch a top. The market is bullish. So please, Chad, keep that in mind. 13 minutes left to go. Let me just get the music up a little bit here. I can't really hear it. Okay, so with Nasdaq, I technically don't want price to go lower than this, Chad. Weekly R1, 18,300.
Holy crap.
Is there 1,000 comments? No, it's 1,000 likes. I don't think it's...
we need to have 1,000 likes and
1,000 comments.
There's a very lot of comments, and I'm not even halfway. There's a lot of comments. 1,000 comments, 1,000 likes.
Alright, there's 1,000 comments, 1,000 likes.
Okay. Okay, so we need to get Shaq and P. Alright, Chad, we'll chat about that now. Alright, guys, so what you're gonna see here, you're gonna see something like this. Maybe this is the ideal. I don't want it to really go deeper, but if it comes down to the daily pivot, that is also maybe fine. That's just gonna make it a little bit saucy for me, a little bit too saucy. Then I'll rather go with US30. Then gold. Let's look at gold, Chad. I was bullish on the week, or not was, I'm still bullish on the week. Yesterday, was it yesterday or the day before that we talked about this 2340 level? I think it was yesterday, Keeks.
Yeah.
This 2340 level.
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Yeah, it was yesterday.
Yeah.
2340, the level we wanted to get long from. So the daily for me now is weird. This is a weird daily. Why do I say it's a weird daily? Because we have now created some type of support here. Let me just change the color. What is this playlist, Chad? Give me 1 second. I don't know what this is. Sure. They are honestly trying to make sure that we rather sit here in quietness. Okay, that's a little too dark. Let's go. So we've held this little breakout zone here. We retested it. So I would have loved for yesterday's candle to just break this minor little resistance level here. But that's also fine. But I'm expecting, if CPI is a miss, 2392 very, very easily. You're going to see a massive, massive jump and then even all-time highs potentially. So I am neutral to bullish. Let me keep the neutral there. Neutral to bullish, ready to react on what's happening here. And then going into the session, this is the weird thing for me. Yesterday we were trading above the 80. That's why I was looking purely for longs. Never really got a setup, and today we are somewhat trading below the 80 and we are starting to flatline here a little bit. Monthly pivot down here, daily pivot down here. So I'm expecting before CPI we're either going to be trading close to this level, or we're going to actually be trading closer to this level here. So that is what I'm expecting, neutral to bullish. I'm going to throw over to my boy here. We've got 10 minutes left. I think we are doing phenomenally. Keeks, over to you, my brother, my brethren.
Stretch out the neck. All right, guys. So Nasdaq. Very, very simple for me, Chad. We are staying bullish. We said yesterday two things were going to happen. We were going to trade up, break this first level, which I said we did very, very easily, and then trading up to the major level, which was a very, very big case of closing above, which we did. And you can see, as I said, always, if you guys know our trade, we wanted to then see the hold with a close above, which is exactly what we got. Next candle, big, big bullish push, but again, nice little inverted hammer candle if you actually want to go with those. And now we're going to start seeing that move again, testing and holding. So when we start dropping down here, you're going to see this very, very simply for us. You got your Asia lows right in the start of the range, but that's already holding out on the top level of it. Weekly resistance under us. You got the daily pivot and EQ nice below us. So again, if we start going for that daily pivot EQ, what does that mean? We've obviously failed as support and then going back to resistance. So we want to see this thing start playing out a bit. But again, the big, big thing today is it can get very tricky for us, because as much as we hold here, we are bullish. Obviously, Asia highs untested. But again, if we start breaking back into this zone, going for this weekly resistance, possibility of daily pivots, you've now turned resistance on a major level again, and we could see the downward momentum. So again, I don't think we're going to get any big movements. So the big thing for me is honestly seeing us park the bus right here on that support level. And you're again going to have to wait for news, see what's going to happen. If we're going to have the break to the top side, break to the downside. Because if this breaks up, obviously we continue and we're going to new all-time highs. If it breaks below, we've got a big, big fall down that we can then see coming from NAS. So quite an interesting one. Over to US30. Again, we are bullish. Pretty much the same thing. Major 4 hours resistance area. Obviously, our next zone is back up here at the all-time highs. So let me just bring this back. We're just under all-time highs. So we know what we're obviously seeing over there. But what we're going to look for on the 4 hour is big breakaway. So thing again needs to be retested. So that's obviously something we want to keep in the back of our head. We can see daily pivot EQ right there, that zone in between. So very, very thing. If we come for daily pivot EQ, good chance we obviously testing that zone and that breakout where we will see holding support to continue back up, or the break to turn resistance and continue lower. So again, we really can see these things start playing out a bit. But US30 personally, what I would love, if we're talking technically, is retesting this breakout to see for the first time if we can hold this. If we can hold that, definitely the same thing, all the way bullish again for the rest of the day. But again, just a case of planning, reacting, and just being patient today, because if anything, this can just park the bus and do pretty much nothing. You could even get something today with, if you guys saw what happened with NAS yesterday, the big wick to the downside to give us that test and turn bullish afterwards. So a lot can happen here today. We just have to see what happens there. And then over to gold, we can see again still turning bullish. We said we were bullish yesterday. Obviously, once in our retest, never got it. But back up above this 23.48. So if you guys trade New York, you know this is where we wanted to take our trade. And again, pretty spot on, but just not getting any entry criteria on the trade, so we couldn't take it. But again, now we're back here. Daily pivot EQ almost back at that zone again, as you can see right in the middle of the two. So do we get the test? We obviously have Asia low set, Asia highs, and now we're holding out in the middle. So again, if you guys haven't noticed, there's going to be a pattern today of everything pretty much parking the bus until CPI, and I'm not surprised by that. As I said, today's CPI really can be a make or break for some big moves. So we just have to be patient, sit it out, see what we can do. But if this thing does, for me personally, if anything, I probably would see that retrace coming back to the daily pivot, just because of the way we've seen gold not having these trending breakout days anymore. We've been having more of a break and continuation. So break, retest, break, retest, and just carrying on, stepping. So I wouldn't be surprised to see something like that then on gold. But again, as I say with everything, today going to be a very active day, and you've got to be patient for your setups.
Is that you, brother?
That's me, brother.
Listen, I think we found a little sweet spot here on this playlist. Holy. It is banging here. Chat, okay. Let's get over to my screen. Let's finish up. We've got 5 minutes left. And then we're going to get crack-a-lacking here for the session. Maybe we get some pre-CPI pips just for breakfast, just to fill those tummies for these pip-hungry people in the chat. All of us are hungry for pips. That is also fine. There's no shame in that. GBP USD. So yesterday talking about that 200 daily EMA. Beautiful chat. There we go. There you have it. Neutral on the weekly. I don't know why this thing is saying bearish. Has not yet updated. But bullish on the day. Yesterday we spoke about it. Go watch yesterday morning's analysis where I said the potential to go bullish. And just after that, PPI taking out a previous daily low and then going massively to the upside. So liquidity has been taken. I'm happy for this thing to continue to the upside, unless CPI is really a surprise to the upside. Like really, we're going to chat about that at 10 past 2. But I'm expecting today easily 2631. That is the target for the day. And then after that, 2686. Sorry, Chad. 5 minute time frame. What do we have on the 5? We've got a beautiful Asia range here. Weekly high up there. I don't expect us necessarily to go and break that now. Big round number. Weekly R1. If we are going to break it, great. But if not, I might just look for some shorts into CPI and then for the reversal of this level down here. I want everything to trade closer to the daily pivots before CPI. Euro USD, beautifully bullish. We've got a nice clean range all the way to 108.88. We had a nice break of structure yesterday to the upside. Weekly pivot tested, and now we can see price continue higher. 108.17, that's the key level, already breaking through the weekly R1. Now we're going for that weekly R2, which is sitting somewhere here. Let me just show you. Oh, we're already at it. Holy moly. Okay, there we go. Bullish on the day. Sorry, chat, I just quite liked that previous song. I just want to maybe listen to that one more time. There we go. Damn. Feel that, Keeks?
Feel it, bro.
Feel the rhythm, pips. Man. You feel them pips loading. Oh, yeah. Okay. Euro USD, already at the weekly. I want this thing to come lower. If it's trading here before CPI, not good. I want it to be trading here closer to CPI, so not going to do anything here. Going to let price develop. We've got 1 minute left. Oh damn, there we go. Gigs, you hear that Asian pan flute?
Bro, that's like your signature, yo.
Damn, here we go. Okay, Chad, I don't know what to say about the yen pairs. I'm honestly, if I'm very honest, I'm not even looking to trade the yen pairs. It's just, look at this.
Bro, as I said to you yesterday, I literally haven't even analyzed them. I don't look at them. I don't do anything because I've cut them out, the last 2-3 weeks, and I've I don't want to be
You've
that
been
guy, but I've
profitable.
literally doubled my profits, tripled my profits, maybe even in the last
Chad,
time
okay.
I've cut it out.
So this is UJ from Tuesday. Look at that. So I'm just gonna go through the five.
Chris, I think you're on my screen, bro.
Oh, is it still on Keegan's screen? What did you got? No way. No way.
All of that you've done, I think you're
Sure.
on my screen.
Okay. So they missed GU and all of that.
Yep.
Okay, Chad, real quick. GU, I said beautiful daily breakout here. I'm expecting 12631. 5 minute, real quick. I said I want price to be trading closer to here. If we're going to reject here early on this morning session, I'm going to actually short GU into these levels and then later buy. Euro I said is not too clean for me trading at the highs. UJ, I was talking about this. This is just a mess for me. GJ, just messy. Yeah, Chad, I don't know. The yen pairs are very, yeah, I don't want to get involved with it. But there we go. Chad, markets are open and in motion, baby. Ding, 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 ding. Round 3. Fight. Okay. Yes, bro. That was incredible doing analysis for myself. Over 200 people being like, what is this man doing? What is this man? Chad, 2Gs. Coupon code. Just for CPI. Expires tonight. Midnight.
Oh,
40%
you guys have it,
off.
Chad.
Go grab your account.
The link is
Don't
in the bio.
be scared. Go grab your account. Alright, DXY. Keeks. Interesting. DXY. I don't like this where it's already trading at the weekly low.
Stick to the plan, Chris.
No.
Stick to the plan.
I know. Alright, I'm part of the plan. It's fun having a plan up until life kicks you in the face and then drives over your nuts.
It's a tough day to have a plan then, bro.
It's a tough day to have some funds laying in a... Chad, I'm going to actually deposit my funds now. Let me not play around. Let me get the login so long.
Oh, also, bro, just while you just mute it quickly.
Okay. Yana Keeks, I think 500k is enough for CPI. Don't go more than 500k.
Nah, bro. It's either a mill or I lose my house. That's one of the two.
Yo, bro, these guys throw down. Anno domino beats. Sure. Only thing is they don't only have 7 songs though. Anno domino. Chad, how's everyone doing? Everyone ready? Give me 1 second. I just want to get my Dono account ready. Chad, 10 past 2. It is gonna be. It is either gonna be great or it is gonna be. We're gonna be sacrificing our hard-earned money to the broker, which is never a good thing. So.
But we just DJ in chat, so
Sure.
that's just how you
Sure.
do it.
So I want to deposit now and see. But how do I know what this is actually something they need to put on your
What's that?
to know which one is which is the 200%
But
account.
that's what I had the discussion with you about last time. I had to figure this out.
Yeah, to deposit, withdraw.
Like keep shuffling them around and like found the right one.
Empty 5, empty. Yo, what I have so many trade accounts here. Holy moly. 4, 7 accounts, yeah. Oh, there's the 1-2000 chat. Sorry, man. I just want to get this DJing account ready. So your DJing account is ready?
Yeah, ready, brother.
Sure. That thing. Have you put it in the fridge just so it can stay nice and chilled?
Yeah.
Log into your MT4 chat and then you put it in the fridge. Oh damn! Yeah, I'm on your account. Let me just. You.
We are mine now.
Oh, did you go with the 250 bro? Is that 250 bro?
250, my boy. I say we sending this thing.
Yo, no, Keegan is not playing, Chad. Here's the thing, Keegan is all about that life, eh?
We like being DJs.
Okay, but we gonna need. Let me download another MT4 quick here from Vault Market.
Keeks, will you be trading CPI live? Maxwell, if you literally go to streams, you'll see it is already scheduled, my brother. We are trading it live.
We are trading it live, Chad.
That's why for guys that are popping in here asking for CPI analysis. We said we are not talking about it now. You want to know what we're doing for CPI? Come join us and trade it with us.
Already, it's stop loss on my EU setup. We'll be skipping CP. No, man. What did you do, Liesel? We'll go into the chat now. Chad, with this little mix here, it's only 7 songs, but that's Keeks. You gotta be honest, bro. For copyright free, this slaps a little bit, eh?
No, it's not bad.
Sure, Chad. There we go. Okay, I need to. I'm just getting another MetaTrader 5 on here so Keegan can literally share both our accounts during the DJing session, where we will be DJing. DJing. Okay, there we go. Chad, 7 more minutes for the shuffle. DXY already trading below the Asia lows, already trading at the weekly S1. I don't like it. I don't trust it. I don't like it. Yeah, there's a lot I do not like about this. I do want to potentially get short on GU. Yeah. If we can continuously reject here, I want to get short, and I would love if CPI is trading here somewhere closer to the daily pivot. Okay, what is this now? Yeah, Chad, get your accounts ready now. I think they are rigged for today's volume, but if not, get your account ready now. Okay. Okay, Keeks, both of our accounts are on here now. Eh? Oh, Chad, it is gonna be messy. Your account has been migrated to the 5th generation. Previous password. Okay, new password. Chat, I'm gonna check the I'm gonna check the chat now. I just wanna get this account. Invalid account password. Okay. Where's that? So that thing's fighting now. Change password. Come now, man. Is that now the new password? Chad, gold already running here. I don't know what to tell you. Meta password migration is necessary. Let me just do this quickly. Such a rookie, yeah.
Ooh, now even Alex is joining us for CPI.
Who's Alex?
Alex.
Alex?
Uh,
US.
Nalpolkov.
Is he joining us for CPI?
Yeah, he messaged me. He's like, "Are you guys streaming it?" So I'm like, "Yeah, he's streaming it, bro." So he's like, "Oh, I'm loading an account now, bro. I'm tapping in with you guys."
Alex Volkanovski will be joining.
Oh, Alex.
Chad.
The boys are ready for CPI.
No, the boys are locked and loaded. That is why casinos do so well.
Callan, so the thing is, bro, we always say this question, like, I can't give everyone a generic, just say lot size to use, because if you have a 500 in, is that 500 on a bonus account? Is it on what bonus account? Is it on a micro account? Is it on a standard account? So because the contract sizes are going to be different then, I can't just say use this lot size. The lot sizes will vary from account sizes. Does that make sense? Account types. So yeah, it's a bit of a hard one just to give you a generic lot size to use. Can you please explain to me the stop out rule on vault markets, please?
Stop out is just where you don't have sufficient margin and it stops you out. So
your account is kablowy.
Yes. Did you go bonus account?
Bonus, bro.
Bonus.
If you full bought in, it's bonus.
Default to one account per account type allowed. But here's my thing. How do I know which is my two? Yo, bro.
That's what I said. That's the cack thing, bro. They don't show you that.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have so many accounts though. Trading accounts.
Keys, how do you find your EQ? The EQ is an indicator. Otherwise, it's just 50% of the previous daily range. Week and a half later and still waiting for S&R. He said he was going to show proof of payment or something.
S&R. Alright.
Can you rename the accounts? It's what I do. Oh yeah, you can do that.
Can you rename it?
Yeah, so once you make it, you can make it probably just say that 250 bonus account to whatever. And that's actually a clever idea.
Somebody that did that, he just used his big brain. Beautiful. Kiggs, I'm just gonna throw on your screen. Just keep the gas. Sorry, I just wanna get this deposit loaded.
Rebetsware. Anyone know what their strategy is or approach? Rebetsware, if you just trade with us every day, you will see how we approach the market.
And you can join the Discord. Link is
And
in the
join it.
description. Free. I feel sometimes the guys here join my Discord and it's like, how much now? How much do you want?
Everything else free, guys. Same way we train CPI for free. No 200 Rand tour, no 250 to join in, and then it's free. We're doing it for you guys.
The server is Vault Markets P2Y Limited, eh?
With what?
Vault Markets.
Yeah. Bro, I don't even know what account I have, to be honest. Is there a way to check? Callan, that's literally the thing Chris is fighting with.
Yes, bro. I've got literally every account type because I tested every account. Yeah.
No, that would make sense though. Yeah.
So I remember when I did the report for them, I tested every single account. MetaTrader password migration is required. Previous password, new password.
Brian, I just recently deleted my accounts on RaceFX. I'm still a new trader and still learning. Which account should I use on VM? I don't have a lot of capital to put in though. Ryan, again, depends, bro. Just saying I don't have a lot of capital can vary because what is a lot to you? So if you put in a few hundreds, I probably recommend a micro account. If you put in a few thousands, you can go standard. If you wanted to flip in full port accounts, go bonus. It's up to you, bro. That is stuff I can't give you an answer for that one.
Let me call some help here.
Can you delete the old account you don't use anymore?
I think you can email them and they can actually delete it.
Delete it and you can make a new one. Executive Boss, check account history to see how much bonus was allocated. Ooh, that's actually clever.
Oh yeah, bro. Big Chad, you guys are sitting with some big brains here.
Check the account. That's actually a very good
Nah,
idea.
these guys are...
Wishing you guys a solid day with a whole lot of blues. Appreciate it, Kiosh. What would be the ideal leverage for trading CPI? Callan, as I said, you're going to be full port in it, bro. So you're just going to want to max out anything. So the higher, the better. If you are maxing out, you want the highest leverage you can go for. Yeah. Again, guys, please, please, please. We're going to sound like a broken record today. But please, if you're going to trade this with us, we do not condone it. This is just something for fun, all of this. That's why we don't trade these events all the time for you guys, because we don't condone it. But we do it for fun, for laughs. If you win, you win. If you don't, you don't. So again, that's the thing with fundamentals. You can be 99% sure, but you can never be 100%. So there's 1% can still screw you, and you can lose. So think of it like trading. Once you put that money in that account, be prepared to go away with it. So whatever you're putting in, if you're going to do this with us, whether you're going to come just watch and enjoy the stream with us, awesome. Whether you're going to trade with us, please just be prepared. Things can go either way. That is fundamentals. Because I'm not that person that's going to promise you guys, put the last bit of money you have if you need to pay rent tomorrow. Like, no, don't do that. Don't even trade today then. Will do. Thanks, Oaks. Good day. How many positions can I add with 1,000 on Vault Market? Some guys can barcode with me. It allows one position or two only. Super CISO, because the guys that are barcoding, if they've got 1,000, they're probably on a micro account. And secondly, if they are barcoding, other than that, it is probably because it's a demo account. Those aren't real accounts. If you have 1,000 with, I'm just going to say, if you have 1,000 Rand with a bonus account, you probably are only be able to be placing like a 0.01, maybe depending on how early you enter before the margin call opens up, you're going to be placing 0.02 maybe, but otherwise, yeah, that's the thing. Guys either on micros then, or they on demo accounts when they're doing that. Some of these gurus are on demo accounts, that's why they do that. I got faith that you'll get CPI right. Might go hungry for the rest of the month, but if you get it wrong, only joke. Nah, Carl, as I say, bro, I won't lie to you guys. Same with NFP. I know I can be wrong, but I've just got this feeling again today. Same with NFP. I've got this feeling in my bones. And you know what? Maybe I could be wrong. Maybe that's just because I've got issues in both my bones, and I'm literally going to the counter for it. But I could be right. It's one of those things. That'll be me today. I'll be sitting on the sidelines being a commentator, Ruan, and there's nothing wrong with that. We'll love to have you there, and hope you can give us some world-class commentary there.
Who's that?
Ruan. Like I just said, even if you guys aren't going to trade it, we still would love you guys there for the vibes. Good day on Vault Markets. How many positions? Okay, I did answer that one, Super Seesaw. When you go into account activity, it shows the account type. I've apparently got a Vault one. Okay, so if you go account activity, it will tell you what account it is. Okay, we even learning here, guys. Good day on Vault Markets. Super Cecil, please, brother. I'm gonna have the wrenches time you out. I've answered that question, so stop spamming it.
Hey, Sibasiso Kumalo, my brother. We're going to need you to lock in, my dude. We're going to need you to listen. We're going to need you to listen, my brother. Ears open, eyes open. Take a deep breath, Sibasiso. Nice and deep. And then let it go. Let it go. Really need you locked in, my bro.
No, the VVV VIP members. I know they're going to be here. I know they're here for it.
Chad. CPI.
Everyone comes out of the woodworks.
Oh,
CPI.
Chopper Rara. CPI put on a stretcher in an ambulance. Sometimes we put CPI in an ambulance and we get in the ambulance with it. Oh, baby. CPI. I can almost guarantee you now, if you go on social media, the guys are already somewhere at a restaurant, either having some breakfast or something, and then saying, you guys already know what it is. Deposit now with the best broker in Africa. The best broker in Africa.
They've got to repeat it about 12 times in case you don't hear it.
Fastest growing, best broker, most secure broker.
ODP license.
ODP. VVP.
Because apparently they're the only ones that have an ODP license.
The ADP to the CCP.
But the one thing they don't have is they've only got a 175 bonus. We nearly double you, son. A 250 bonus.
Damn, it was the amount of YouTube channels I see that popped up. SA traders who now all of a sudden want to do lives. I guess imitation. Really, Shane, where? Who are the guys? No, I love it. If you're willing to put yourself out there, I respect that. But
to be fair, we need more of us, guys.
No, there's a lot more room. There can be 20 SA streamers and it's not enough.
We spoke about this, I think, in the industry chats on Top Trader.
Yes.
And if you tap into 1% of the country, 1% of the country, you have 1 million. And that's 1%. Like, there's more than enough for everyone to go around. CJ Bankrolls, he's a wanker, bro. Needs a haircut, needs a shave. Looks like he came out of a cave. Yeah. Man needs to look after himself. Man, apparently there's millions, but I can't go to a hairdresser.
Who's
I don't
that?
know. CJ Bankroll. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know if the caveman look, if that's a new look nowadays. I don't know.
Yo, bro, I've been blocked by everybody.
Did he block you?
I'm blocked by everybody, man.
Bro, what did
I
you-
don't even know. It's like these guys get together and they're like, bro, just block Chris. Just block him now. Somewhere along the line, he's gonna be a thorn in your flesh. And it's like, okay. That is the Guru starter pack. You get IG, you block Chris.
Yeah.
Like, that's the first thing. You block Chris, you block Rydal, you block Rolio. And there you go. You're on your way, young starter kit. Chad, this GU, are we going to short this? Are we getting short here? 7. I don't think it's so bullish though, but I wanna. This is quite a big level. Like we haven't been able to get through the weekly R1 and the ADS trading below. Chad, this is a valid. This is a valid break of structure to the downside.
Yeah, Kalen, I know what you're talking about. That man is the biggest contradiction person in the world.
Who's that?
Our ginger ninja. He talks about how you need to have control as a trader. Not every day is a trading day and all of this type of stuff. Yet he posts every day his real trades. Can you please explain what a bonus account actually is, please? Basically, brother, we're giving you on equity bonus. So allowing you to full margin your account. So basically placing lot sizes that account size should not be able to place.
Chad, if you feel like it, I don't feel it though. I don't feel this trade, but here's the thing. Weekly R1, Asia highs, key level. What is DXY doing?
Super Cecil, no, I don't mind you. I get why you do so we could see the message. But the thing was, we did answer you, bro. We answered your question.
Yeah, Chad. This I feel is very.
Callan, I've got the 250 bonus. This is what I'm going for today, bro.
What are we doing here? Kicks GU. Yes, I wanna take a short here.
Do it, brother. Do it.
Chad, I wanna do it. I took a short here. Right here. Let me just pull my stop loss. I took a short there. And I want to tell you guys now why I took a short there, and I want to target, weirdly enough, I want to target down here, daily pivot. I feel like we can easily come down to this daily pivot before CPI. I don't think, if they run it, here's my thing. If they run all the dollar crosses now before CPI, then I'm going to flip my thing to dollar bullish. But if they can bring this down now before CPI, yeah, so I took a short here. I'm going to take you guys through the trade now. 2565, that's going to be my TP. 2565. Okay, there we go. 2565. So, Chad, here's my thing. It is CPI. We at the weekly high. We at the daily high. We at the session high. What is the chance? And I'm not saying it's impossible. What is the chance they just drive this thing through the weekly R1, through the Asia highs, pre fundamental release. What is the chance? There is a chance. Could be low volume algo driven, but for me, looking at the 80, it is starting to crackle a little bit here, and it is something that I am willing to take a squeeze on. Worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, we risk 5 pips here, but it's a trade worth having a shot at. How do we manage risk on a trade? So we've got this zone here, Chad. If we get any candle closures above this zone here, any candle closures above here, any strong momentum candles, something like that, then I'll kill the trade. Any candles like that printing above this zone, then this thing is going to fly. It is going to run, and then I'm expecting they are basically, then CPI is priced in. If this thing runs before CPI, irrespective of what happens with CPI, it is priced in. Good, bad, you do the opposite. If they drive it one way before the news event, you go the other way. Here we go. Let's see here. The only thing is, as Neela also said the other day, DXY, I would love for it to come back into the weekly S1. But other than that, very, very simple for me. Candle closures above 12600 and we knock it. Otherwise, anything in here, still happy with the position. So let's see. Gold already to 365. It is going to be an interesting CPI chat. If we get trade close to the daily pivots, I'm happy with where CPI could go. But if we are trading here somewhere, that's why gold 2350 closer to CPI. If we can trade here, beautiful. Okay, let's check GU, still within this zone. Let's monitor it. Puma stop. Ja, dan. Where's the Chad? Is the red and blue line pivots? Yes, the red and blue lines are pivots, my brother. It's not a mistake from my side, it's actual problem with VM. Fransja Beetge, sorry man. Vault Market, laat my nie toe om enige FX space te trade nie. Ek kan fisies nie die symbol add op MT5 terminal nie. Die probleem is net op MT5. Op jou rekenaar, Fransja, on your PC or on your phone. Because remember, if you look at, let me just do this quickly. PC en phone, dis weird. Dan het jy of jou investor password gebruik en jy het nie jou actual trading account password gebruik nie. Want jy moet hier gaan show all and then basically whatever you've got here, these are the ones you can trade. So just make sure you didn't log in with your investor password and then just email support. Other than here on the stream, where can I learn how to trade? Ryan, that is a very good question. I would say join the Discord. Make sure you are logged in on that Discord. Go through that education section and then baby pips. Go through baby pips. I think it's 4 modules. The first 4. I'll just check with Mo because that's where I started Mo off, and I said after that we can sit down. Keegan, America, we actually use all of the pivots. The idea is just that for most part the daily range will hardly exceed the S1 and the S and the R1. It will trade within that, but on days where it's trading above the R1 or the R2, those are going to be your trending days. So you don't try and necessarily sell it there. You use that as targets. If you're buying from the pivot level, you use that as targets, and then once it starts trading through the R1, that is when you can see price then going for the R2. That is usually our trending days. So if you go, I think it was Monday, somebody asked me about Euro USD. They were in some longs. Yes, it was Monday. The idea is you trade it from pivot to R1 if you're long, and you trade it from pivot to S1 if you are short. And the gentleman was in longs from here, and he asked me where should he take profit, and I said, brother, if we cannot hold above that level, take your profit here. And then later on, once it broke through the R2 or through the R1, you can see it went to the R2 up here, and that was basically the peak of the day. So it's basically extension levels where you can either reject if you want to try and fade it. I don't like doing that. But also you can use it as continuation levels, whereby if price trades through the R1 and it holds the R1, it will likely go to the R2. So yeah, that is the gist of it. Keegan, America. Gunther Brand, Chris, are you bullish for US30 CPI? Yeah, I've been bullish the entire year, Gunther, on US30. We are in a cyclical bull market. That is why I've been bullish the entire year. The only thing, though, for me is US30. I would love for it to trade here, closer to CPI. I feel like then it can be a very clean move. So yeah, I've been a bull the entire year. The bull case for me is very strong. The bull case is strong. Chad, I'm gonna get out here break even.
Oh, damn, you in a trade?
Yeah, I took 2 shorts. Chad, I closed there break even. Not liking the way that we are now starting to, I wouldn't even say continue bullish, but here's the thing. If we were going to continue bearish, think of it as market structure here. There's the minor little break. Then this retest here, we entered on that retest. The expectation for us would then be for price to then do this, continue lower. And now actually what we're doing is we're doing the opposite of that. So we are now actually going back to the upside, and I don't trust it. I don't trust it. The issue for me here is DXY trading below the weekly S1, already testing it there. I would have felt a lot more comfortable if DXY was doing this, even though the DXY is more heavily weighted in the euro. Yeah, I don't like this. Like I said, they can literally run it now before CPI. CPI can either be some type of non-event, but if they run it here, you can very quickly get murdered here, and I'm talking quick. So that is why I was expecting this to continue lower, to at least come and retest this 200 EMA here, and then we broke above, and then I gave this candle somewhat of a chance, and this candle here did not do anything that is going to excite the bears. So yeah, break even on GU. I just want to journal this bad boy quick. Okay, let me get Notion up here. Kiggs, I'm saying if they're gonna drive price now before CPI, that chalks our fun for the day.
Nah, bro. Sticking to the plan. I did the same thing with NFP, bro.
No, but I mean, you're gonna get that weird little whipsaw.
You're not gonna feel so confident.
No,
but already, like I said yesterday, throw you the spanner in the works now. But yeah, I gotta go for it, bro.
Okay, check here, Chad. There you go. Watch now. Watch as soon as we breach this level. It can still reverse from here, but it can first do a little liquidity. This is now max pain for retail traders if this thing's going to start breaking through here. This is there where the guys get a little bit of hot flushes and they start adding positions here and start taking their stops out. Because look at this. This can still short, but it can do something like this. This is ideally what I would like to see. And then down for the rest of the session up until CPI. Down here.
Just saying, did you even watch Powell speak last night? before I'm not going to say we're going to talk about CPI, but did you even listen to his speech?
I didn't. Did you?
I did, bro.
Really? What did he say?
Obviously, Powell just reinsured investors
Yeah.
that they are still prices moving up more than they expected in April. It is unlikely. But the big one, that there's unlikely to be a rate hike
This year.
this next month. So he encouraged Powell's comment that he'd expect that central bank's next interest rate move to be a hike, but even in a recent run of higher than expected inflation. So the next move will be a hike, but not this month. The market is getting comfortable with higher for longer rates. The real question
Wait, did he
if
say a potential hike still this year?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's British dollar, my bro.
Yeah. It is not, but as I said, the hike is a possibility, and Powell's reiterating that it's not on the table right now.
No, I know, but I mean, a hike, Chad. That is, Keeks, that makes things a little bit saucy.
But that's why I said it made things interesting yesterday, bro.
I didn't even listen to that. That is, okay. Okay. Chad, I'm going to look at the Fed futures now. Give me a second.
Because then the highlighted thing was just producers price up more than expected in April. Fed Powell PPI mixed. Next move unlikely to be a rate hike.
Okay. I want to check the Fed futures now. The Fed futures will tell the story.
That's what I'm just saying, Chad. I'm not going to we're not going to do much in CPI, but if you guys missed it, for those that already the DJs that dropped off when the trade didn't go their way now, that's why I thought I'd just bring that up. But yeah, if people actually listen to fundamentals, not the guys that told me fundamentals don't matter, then that's irrelevant for you. But the guys that do listen to fundamentals would already know what that means.
The fundies.
Forbes, as he says there, Powell making shit at recession incoming.
Did Powell say recession incoming?
I don't know. That's just been on the talk the whole time. I've even said recession incoming. I'm warning people. But hey, we don't know anything about the markets.
Okay, wait, but this is weird now for me. What is your bias then on dollar?
I'm not giving you my bias. 250 rand.
Because a lot of here's my thing. When the markets are going to go risk off, that's going to be bullish dollar. Then also, if Powell is now, Chad, the markets were pricing in rate cuts, and now you throw in rate hikes. Holy, that becomes September was the first expected rate cut.
Go look at September.
All right, Chad. So the previous day, nothing's really changed. I think the guys are sitting in a little bit of a wait and see. November now, all of a sudden, we can see also still nothing's changed in terms of the current Fed futures, the previous day and the previous week. So, and in December, yeah, so are they pricing in 3 cuts now? I know, so they're pushing it out to December, the final cut, but basically now it seems like a little bit later, but now December, let me just check December quickly. Okay, also relatively flat. Okay, Fed futures hasn't moved, Chad. Fed futures have not moved, so Fed futures are not going to tell you anything here.
As I say, guys, today is going to be a make or break for dollar. People are sleeping. Like, I'm putting it out there, guys. I'm just saying, if you are on the right side of CPI today, you are making bags today.
Fake Louis V bags or real bags?
Real Louis V bags, bro.
Hey.
You're gonna be buying like 20 funded accounts.
Gee. Okay, who's shorting here? Bro, I don't know. This GU is looking saucy. Do I get involved with this? Do we give it another shot below here, Chad?
Klebers, yes, brother, yes. If Powell and Feds as a whole don't bring in cuts, then the US economy is in for a very rocky ride in the months come. Fabio, I agree with you, brother. I agree with you.
Chad, I want to... Just, man. I want to short this thing here, but let's see. But now we hourly know. This is just DJing behavior. Look at that. Look at that little range there. This is now our go-to song if we're vibing here. Chad, let me hear your bias here. GU. If you are bullish on GU at these levels, give me a thumbs up. If you are bearish, give me a thumbs down. I want to just test something. Maybe let's do... we already have the poll running. Shit. Thumbs up if you are bullish here. Thumbs down if you are a bear. Let me know.
Hey, it's Forbes, bruh. Morning, everyone. Blessed to be here. What's up, brother?
Hey, Forbes.
D's.
Deezen. I don't know if you've heard of Deezen.
Deezen Forbes.
Deezen. Forbes, have you heard of Deezen? Tried that on one of my wife last night. Didn't go as planned. She's like, Deezen your head against the pillow and sleep. And I was like, damn. Deezen. Okay, chat. So we've got a little bit of a mix. Ian, US the...
What's going on? Why is everyone sending thumbs up and thumbs downs?
No, I'm saying who's bullish, who's bearish here.
Okay. I was going to say, what's going on here?
Chat, as you can see, it's relatively mixed. Looks like continuation of consolidation. Looks like a consolidation before a continuation, maybe. I like that idea. My only thing though is before, dude, I don't like this. If I'm honest, I don't like the way where we're trading at before CPI.
You can do it, Chris.
No, I'm done, bro. I'm done.
You can do it.
I'm done with these. You can do it and all of this. I will not do anything. I'm kidding. Gold not gonna give us a shot. GBP USD. Chad, I wanna really get stuck into this thing here. When is the 4 hour closing? Look at that 4 hour. The thing though is Euro USD is already at the weekly R2. So this thing is trending, guys. This thing is already trending strong like a bull.
Like a bull.
Clever like a dolphin.
Oh, like a dolphin.
You guys have never heard of that. Clever like a dolphin. Bro, that was an immaculate. Was it MTN, Chad? Clever like a dolphin. Let me find that ad. Beautiful. That's just a beautiful piece of marketing. Clever like a dolphin. Clever like a dolphin ad was mad. Who was it? Was it MTN? Let me find it. Let me find it. Chad, do you guys remember that ad? Was it MTN?
I don't know, bro. I don't know which one you're talking about, Jay.
I'm going to tell you now. Clever like a dolphin. S&R is in the chat, baby.
Oh, S&R. The man's back again.
S&R just saying he's going live today. Young 10 mil on CPI. Young 10 milli.
That's chump change.
What's 16 bar between mates? Hey, Kaylin, don't be that person. Don't be. What is my age? That ad is from Chris's times. What times was I in? Huh? What time? I'm in the same time. Hey, Chad. There we go. Chris, I will only short you. Yes, Neil, I immediately thought of you, yeah. But also remember that DXY is almost 60% weighted in euro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be cockbleek if this thing just runs from here.
Just finished my first real live on YouTube. Appreciate what you gents do, so I'm pushing to do the same now. Hey.
But how you finish an hour after the market is open? Quick little in and out burger.
Just a quick 10 mil to start the day.
Just a quick 10 milli, baby. Yeah, the beauty now, S&R, is nobody can doubt you. You can actually log into your terminal live. And you can just put these haters to sleep. Show them how you withdraw deposit from XNES. And you can just show them that. That is the beauty of where S&R is going now. So nobody can doubt. He can show you his real terminal. He can log into it. And then if anybody ever says this man is lying, he can show you guys live on YouTube and everybody can eat their shoe. Hey, Keeks, that's the beauty of doing a live stream.
That's the beauty.
You can share everything on here. You can log into that
no one can
MT5.
question.
You can log into that MT5. You can show that it's a real server and nobody's going to ever doubt. Nila, are we going to miss a trade here? Like I said, I cannot see how they're going to drive this thing before CPI. That's my thing. Kiggs, do you think this is a typical retail trade this year? Look at this strong resistance and then liquidity. What is Jeff doing?
I'm not sure.
Jeff. At these eyes, Jeff's he's definitely shorting. Jeff, GU, what are we doing with GU? Short or shorting? Okay. JB likes a good sniper entry.
Where he lives for it. 3 pip stop.
Yes, dude. Yes, yeah. took a short break even, but look at that. That for me shows we're not getting away from that level. You hear what I'm saying? Chad, here's my thing. Remember what I said with if a level is strong, we're not going to tap into it 15,000 times and not move. So if this level is really strong, why are we still here? Why have the bears not really jumped on it here? Because the bears are not really involved.
Someone's getting trapped today.
No, somebody's getting
nuked,
the ass handed to them here today. So yeah, I don't.
Yeah, to answer the question, bro. So just purely like GJ, I just loved the way it moved. And at the time when I became funded, I was trading GJ. And I had literally I think it was 87% win rate. And I mean, this is like 1 to 3s. And 87% win rate was amazing. So I think it was just because I was doing super, super well on GJ. I just stuck to it. So yeah.
You can do it, Chris. I'm staying out. No, Nila. Damn you, young man. I'm also staying out of it now. Yes, the guys. I'm just trying to sort out my DJing account here.
Marku, I don't mind using my phone, but if I am at my PC, I'll use the terminal on the PC. Chris only uses the terminal though.
What is that?
To execute trades. He's asking why
only
do we use MT5 on our mobiles to execute trades?
I only
If
use
not,
terminal. I only use terminal, Chad. The thing is, yeah, it's just personal choice because now you drive and you're in the car and it's like, let me just get this set up because we are all DJs. We all want to see. Keegan, when he's in a trade, he's driving and he's looking at his phone. You can ask him, I'm doing it. Everybody's doing it. That's why I trade from your terminal. So that when you leave the office, you cannot open up trades because you're not at your desk. You're not ready to make good decisions. How the hell are you making financial decisions while you are driving and you're sitting in traffic on your phone, please?
Okay, multitask, bro.
Okay, right. Multitask. That is what they call it these days. These multitaskers. Beautiful. Now, Chad, here's the thing. We've talked about it trading being already difficult. Now, how the hell doing something already so difficult, you want to sit in a car while driving, while needing to look around? No.
We like making life harder for ourselves.
All right, so you dig it.
Oh, dig it, bro. Living life on the edge.
Diggity dig dig. Dig the rig. Hello. How much actually we must make sure to get the scene right, eh?
The scene.
Yeah, for the live stream CPI.
I was gonna say, bro, I don't know about you, but I'm off on this one early because I'm gonna go chow, have lunch early because obviously we started early.
Are you gonna?
So
Keegan,
11 o'clock, I'm bouncing.
Bro, Keegan is such a soft man. He wants to rest, lay down. You're gonna see him meditate here before CPI.
Yeah.
He's gonna have this little bongo drum.
And then you're gonna see me clutch up.
Oh yeah, CPI. Oh, Chad, we need a little bongo drum in here.
I feel like that's what we're gonna add to the collection.
We need a little bongo drum. Did you take any trades yesterday? Trades today and yesterday? Yesterday I didn't take anything. Now I'm talking shit. I took.
Chris was being a DJ.
No, I was a DJ yesterday. I took. Did I take something yesterday? Yes, I took GU -3 pips. We closed out and then it collapsed. Yeah. We took GU. Yeah, here's the trade. I'll share the journal shortly with you guys. We took the trade there and we closed it out here somewhere. Yeah, -3 there, and killed it for -3, and then literally 7 minutes later, then we had the. Anyways, but it happens, and then this morning we took the sells here. You can also rewind if you want to. We took the sells there. And then when this candle, very close to when it was closing, I said I'm closing here at break even. Price was here at the break even level. Then I closed that trade there. Because I was hoping that this candle was just going to drive through, which it didn't. So, yeah, two break evens. On the week started on, what's the start of the week? The third. That's my only 2 trades this week. So I am minus 3 pips for the week. Minus 3 pips for the week. Gold has eluded me like it's nobody's business. I don't even know what to tell you. The bias is right, the idea is right, just not getting the setup. 23.40 yesterday. This is the level I was looking for potential shorts. Keegan was looking for potential longs. I said if we break above and we retest and we hold, I'm looking long. Keegan didn't get his entry. I didn't get my entry. It ran away. Then this ugly little pullback. So, Chad, we looked at here's the thing. We've looked at the commitment of traders, and the commitment of traders has been messy. So, smart money not committing, dumb money not having money to commit. So, it is a dog fight out here. The way the numbers are jumping, I can see the boys are flipping between streams here. What's happening is other guys taking some trades here, Chad. Let's see what the other boys are doing here. Live trading. Let's see who's online here. Shanky's trading Nifty 50, 15k live now. These boys 11k with trading with Carol. Sweet Caroline. Boop, boop, boom.
Oof, these are nice.
10k with Z Business. All Indian channels. The Indian channels are popping. 5k with Barrage. Okay, let me rather say live Forex trading. Otherwise, I'm going to get all the Indian channels. Okay, still Indian channels. Still a lot of Indian channels. What is this guy doing? Here's the guy with the ski mask. Okay. Okay, he looks like a lot. Laymac. Hey. IQ options trading. Yes, bruh, I want to say that is the top of DGen, of being a DGen, is when you go IQ options.
Yeah.
That is, Chad, you've reached the ultimate level of DGen.
Oh no, then you're up there.
King Abe is trading also live. King Abe. Okay, smart money trader. Alright, my boy, King Abe. That is it, chat. That is. Oh, here's another guy. Trend lines. Kiggs, if you search people live streaming,
Yeah.
who do you find? It's gonna be interesting to see what your
Streaming Forex. I find Forex Visit Live. Then I find Trade Sharp.
Trendline's actually doing well in terms of his viewers.
Then Bloomberg Television. And then us, 2G's Trading. And then Donvo. Trading with Carol. Callisto. Lemix.
Forex and crypto live.
Bro, I'm actually shocked now.
What?
Carol's a guy. I thought Carol's a girl.
Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline.
Carol Baskets.
Yeah, these are the only channels I can see, Chad. That's why I'm asking. It's interesting to see what the algorithm is pushing towards me. This is basically what I'm getting. So I don't know if you guys are getting something else here. 29 watching. Interesting to know. How did you guys get on here? Did you guys type in live? What did you type in to get to us? Did you type in live forex trading, live trading? Let me know what you guys typed in. Janice. Okay, that's it. Chris, you get the left. Everyone's blocked you. Hey man, are they blocking me on YouTube as well? So I can't see them. Who's this guy?
Did another person block you now?
No, I don't know. Tariq saying something about. Shame, but you know what? All of the traders that stream trade like Donvo. That range breakout.
Yeah.
Range 1, range 2. Like even I'm seeing this guy now trading the London session. Yeah, everybody just copied like Donvo's stream structure of how his thing looks. And alright, Chad, DXY. I want this thing to get back above the weekly S1. I want DXY trading here during CPI. That's what I want. Otherwise, I'm gonna be very honest with you. Going into CPI, I am bearish on the dollar. Not even considering the technical aspect, just purely due to the fact that we are bearish on the daily. We've spoken about it so many times that we have broken structure to the downside, but also then considering that we are still in a bullish, I don't even want to call it a channel, but from December last year, this thing is still bullish, Chad. This thing is still, do you pull it there, do you pull it there? But just looking at mean reversion, we can pull back to this level here and still be bullish. So just taking the most recent price action. Look at this brick of a man behind me. What did he do now? Oof, 100k. The man has got a reel with 100k. Well done, Keeks. Where's my one?
The start to great things, bro.
Chad.
I'll take it. First one.
Did you take the first 100k? Damn you.
First one,
Damn
mate.
you.
Sheesh.
I might take the first 400k impressions, feeling cute, sitting at 380. Where's your
345. Just you.
Oh, let me check here. Chad, I want to need you guys. How much views do I need to get to 100k?
You can't control the chat to do it.
Chad, listen here. I need 4k views here. Let me share it with you guys.
This is GT, Chad.
Let me share this with you guys. No, I'm kidding. I'll let my... but here's my thing. So the dollar is still technically somewhat bullish, but we can trade to this lower trend line. So starting off of the day, I am bearish on the dollar. But again, I've told you guys so many times, when we go into a fundamental event, I don't already want price to be extended on the day, on the week, on the flippin' session. So I might go the opposite. I don't know.
Are you going to do the opposite?
No, I'm just saying that the way that we are trading now, unless something dramatic happens with a pullback. Okay, here we go. Let's see if... Is anyone short on GU? Just be honest with us, because you're about to get blasted here. These eyes are... Chad, it's like taking baby from a candy from a baby.
You're going to take the baby from the candy.
This is... Chad, look at this. Let's watch it in real time now. Watch how price is going to start vibrating at that level on your... This is that horrific playlist again.
I don't know which one you chose, yeah.
Inspirational hip-hop rap. Brought to you by Chill and Sunday Rain. I'm long to... Okay, Brett, beautiful. Who's short, Chad? Let's see. The channel got recommended to me. Okay, nice.
There you go,
Joshua.
Chris. Not good to sell GBP USD now, bro. You must watch out, don't sell it.
Short. Who's short on GU? Who's short on GU? I let shit vibrate in some places after. Oh, Daniel. Chad, let's just monitor. Let's just see the retail community pull their hair now. Okay, there we go. Watch this thing now. Watch it start to vibrate here. These eyes. This is where the algos start vibrate. Oh, there we go. Vibrating algos. Let's just eat some. Oi, there we go, baby. The vibrations are real. There we go. Again, not a rocket scientist, just knowing that the majority of the retail market is looking short here. And there you have the vibration we talked about. So if you were short, we did say those highs they are beautiful for the algo. The algo wants it. Hey, calls. I'm long GU to 1-2. Okay, nice. Here's the thing now. Be very careful here. Now, after the algo has vibrated those stops here, what could happen here? What could happen here in this zone is that it could make a U-turn for CPI. This could be the last little sweep, just getting everybody out and then flipping bearish and doing something like this. Or it can just continue. So just be two scenarios here. We're gonna see what it does. But yeah. Holy smokes. It is always good to see this happen.
Keeping you on your toes there, bro.
Savage society, you get it. If you hit a wall over and over, it's gonna break 100%. Hope you guys are lacquered today. Watch the podcast with Big Shaq yesterday. If you get over 1,000 likes and do a W shop for 20 people, please add me there. Sounds like a very interesting guy. Andre, we are. So that video actually did reach 1,000 comments. Holy moly, the boys are. Let me go and check. 1,000. Chad, you guys are just relentless. I don't think
I don't think there's 1,000 likes though.
No, 1,000 likes was already like easy. The 1,000 likes was the easy part.
Does it really have 1,000 likes?
Yeah, the comments, like yesterday when I was looking at it at 350 comments. That's why when Caitlin said it's got 1,000 comments, I was like, no way. Let's check.
No,
here.
bro, it's only got 590 likes.
Okay. But how did you say there's 1,000 comments? There's only 181 that I can see.
Yeah, I also see 181.
So who said there's 1,000 comments?
I don't know.
Oh, you can do a super thanks, a dono. Chad, on your account, let me actually 180. Yeah, no, so it's still a. Okay, there we go. Gold kicks up, dude. I might sell. It might be a bullish dollar, Chad. I don't know.
Things getting interesting.
No, but we're sticking to the plan, eh?
Of course we are.
We are sticking to the plan.
Bro, glow or blow? One of the two. I will spend the 250 rand and we'll go get my Ginger Ninja and my brother Joash a signal, and we'll just do whatever the opposite is to what they do.
Are they doing a CPI?
What do you mean, are they? Of course they are.
Really? No,
Bro, that's
man.
their bread and butter. Of course they
Don't
do.
lie. A 250. A 250 for the boys. For the boys.
All these guys are, bro. You know what? I think we should get Big Brain Energy. Because you won't see it coming. We get Jevon to pay the 200 rand for Jason's 200 rand signal.
Is he also doing a...
Yeah.
No, man. Don't lie.
Yeah, bro.
Are the guys... So here's the thing. They're asking the guys to deposit with their broker.
Yeah.
And they're asking the 250 to blow their accounts. Yeah, that's wrong, eh? Like, at least say, okay, you don't have to deposit with my broker. You pay the 250, but don't try and chow the guys both ways. Like trying to get that broker dono and the... Chad, I don't know. The guys are hungry, eh? The guys are flipping.
It's like, I need you to pay me, and then you go deposit.
And then I'm going to take some of your profits.
You to take your accounts. Like, yeah.
And then if there's this slight odd chance of you actually making money, you need to pay me from your profits as well.
Yeah, bro. Yes.
Yo, the boys are hungry, eh? The boys are thirsty and hungry at the same time. I've never seen anything like this. Yeah, here's the thing. I had a chat with a very big IB, and I said, look, you can't have it on all the sides. You either need to say, listen, I'm pushing the IB thing with a broker, and you make all of your content free, and you build it very big. Because here's the thing. There's some IBs with Vault Markets that's doing anywhere between 400 and 800,000 rand a month in terms of commission rebates. But all of their stuff is free, and I cannot disclose who they are.
Yeah. Andre, no, we can't tell you that, bro.
What's this?
He's asking, we said we obviously know our Shack trades. He was to ask, do we know what time of the day and all the, like, that's his stuff, bro. He has a membership for that. We are not going to just give you stuff out there. So, good try, but no, it's not our place to give those things out. Those people tell us those things because they trust us, and we are not going to go basically broadcasting their memberships.
Tariq Meredith, you ledge, baby. 39.99 Madiba Rants.
That's actually so funny.
Just giving it everything.
Give me 250 rand and I'll show you how I can turn it into my 250 rand. Totally not a scam. Sure. Does he also do like courses? Yes, he has a course and a mentorship and stuff.
Oh, we're missing out here, Keys.
Tariq, that's bigger than the dono S&R gave. Well up.
Hey! Chad, these guys are awake and alert. They are
Tariq.
not letting anything fubs. You cannot let anything slide by fubs, my bro. Fubs is as sharp as they come, Chad.
You know the difference is, guys, the thing is because S&R is a millionaire, but Tariq's a billionaire.
Oh,
so he can throw that extra 5 rand.
There you go. Chad, there you go. It's not about the milli, it's about the billy.
Darren and J Money versus Keegs and Chris. Bro, that's like men versus boys. That's not a fair fight.
Listen, yeah. We actually need to see what they're doing, because if we're on the same side, bro, like I'm not trading.
Yeah.
Let's say I see price and I'm like, guys, I'm looking for buys, and they are like, it's a buy. I'm done there.
But you know, the problem is they watch our stream. So the problem is they're gonna do what we do.
But
and the fact we live
doing,
trading it now, we're gonna give them the answer.
Yeah.
I'll put money on it, they're gonna be on whatever we're on. So whether we win or lose, I'll put money on it, they're on our
They're gonna
side.
be the okay.
I'm gonna bet on that. Because today, the fact we're doing it live with the guys, we are doing it like ahead of time. We're gonna obviously be giving them the answer.
The Rockets are gonna be like, hey, bro, go check that stream. Just let us know what they're doing. All right, team. We're just waiting for our team of analysts there in the Bloomberg station.
Tariqis, if only you knew how much I really donated. Connor and Bevan can confirm. Won't mention on stream.
What now?
But where would you donate? But to us? Because it would come through then. How would you?
Wait, did I miss?
No. Obviously, we're joking about how he donated, but he donated £5 more than S&R. But he's saying if only we knew how much you really donated. But I'm like, but it comes up when you donate. So how did you donate more without us knowing?
No, I think there was that one day he felt quite...
Was he that day when it was him and Garen? Was it Tariq and Garen that were going at it with the donor awards?
No, I think it was... the highest single donor so far is Sahil, 750 Rand.
I remember Garen did 700, but he did in 2 350s.
Yeah. Chad, it's not about the donor. We're joking. And if you made 16 million Rand in one day, great. Again, just the thing is, if you make great, somebody said it the one day, if you're gonna make great claims, you have to back it up with great facts or something like that, great evidence. So that's just the thing. If you're gonna put it out there and you're gonna try and ride that, like ride it properly. Tell the guys, here's my bank account, here's my whatever. Yeah, you can see me. Yeah. Anyway. Let me not get into if you did it or you didn't. It's not going to take me any closer to my goals. It's not going to take anyone else closer to their goals. End of the day, it's just a marketing ploy. End of the day, you show that, and right after that you slap them with join my signals for 350 Rand a month. So still doing signals after 16 million Rand in one day, saying you want to help people out, make it free, bro. Don't talk cock about 350. Oh no, I make it 350 because I want people to actually lock in, because people don't appreciate something that's free. Get out of here. And I'm not even S&R, bro. It's not even out. I haven't even watched your podcast or whatever. I appreciate the donations. We'll refund you as well. But Chad, here's my thing. If you're going to make claims, and we said this with another influencer that lives in our town, if you're going to say you had this big payout, show the proof, that, or don't show it. Like, if you're going to show something that's hard to believe, why should people just believe you? And again, like, if you are out there as a mentor and you're saying, oh, I make 200,000 Rand on a daily basis, then trade live with your students and make 200,000 Rand a day on a daily basis.
Yeah.
So guys must just get out of their little nest. Do you also use a 30 pip stop loss? No, we don't use any protection, my brother. It's like
CPI is global blow. Yeah.
It's like that first night on your honeymoon. You're not using protection, bro. you are swinging for the fences, my guy. I'm trying out a new strategy on gold, paying off so far. Callan, you ledge, baby. 23.48. This new strategy is absolutely banging up until it's not banging and you get clapped. But no, I'm kidding. You're making enough money on trading. Why rip the people? Hey, Carl, that's my thing. And they claim to say millionaires can have multiple incomes. That's why they open signals. You need 9 streams of income. 10K people watching someone live stream trading now. Yeah, bro, that's the most I've seen was 45K. Please, I do not want to say it today. What is Steve gonna say?
He's gonna drop the bomb again.
On the Rockets. That man hates the Rockets, bro. Let's all drop a like, chains. Sure, but trying to figure out how the lot size should be on yesterday's day guide. Like, Andre, I would say on a 1K, 0.01 on US30. Here's the thing though, you guys, some guys don't understand this, but the size of the index actually matters. Let me just show this to you guys because even some experienced traders that I've spoken to don't even understand this. Nasdaq is 18,326. Look at the size of US30. It is basically almost double. It's more than double, slightly more than double the size of Nasdaq. So the moves on US30 are obviously going to be more volatile than on Nasdaq because the index is double the size, more than double. So therefore, you are better off trading Nasdaq with a smaller account than US30. Even though guys will say, oh, Nasdaq moves a lot better. No. US30 is the one that's going to nuke you because one 5-minute candle there could be 30 points where 3 5-minute candles on Nasdaq could be 30 points. So if you're going to gamble with 1,000K, I'm almost going to say you're better off trading Nasdaq, if I'm honest.
Yeah. But if you got a bit more, US30 is the one to go for.
Hey, bro, but those 250 signals slap, my bro. Yo, Iblowy. Chad, we're talking a lot of shit. We could get nuked here today, but I'm keen for it. I'm all for it.
Yeah. Like I said, guys, even yesterday I said to you guys, I was just we were on the wrong side of PPI, but that's part of the game. I'll tell you now, if you see Chris and myself sitting on the floor, you're crying, we're not talking later, then you know we actually risked too much that we should have. But if we can laugh it off and carry on and move on, that's life. Just there you go.
Yeah, let's say you use 3K, our big lot size.
Oh yeah, the guys, we still on the
Andre, where are you? Are you in Port Elizabeth? Where's Andre? Andre, you need to send us smoothies, my dude, for all these questions.
Especially when it's questions we've answered.
Yeah, smoothies need to be sent, my dude. Smoothies need to be sent. Yeah, Chad, we're going to do something a little bit different. Not different. We're going to have the camera angles here. You're going to see all of us looking at their phone like Keegan's watching now, and it's like,
you're going to watch it. Come on.
It's going to be 3, 2, 1. And it's either going to be like, whoa, killed, whoa. Or it's going to be like, oh, Chad, it's going to be a long stream this afternoon. It is going to be a long stream this afternoon.
We can either pull a CJ and we're going to be like, you know what it is. You know what CPI killed. Or it's going to be a,
or young Darren, that first time him and Joash went on tour. They were actually MP, and I laughed, bro. I laughed, and it was, you could hear Darren was like, yeah, boy, we're going long, or whatever, and then you just hear Darren, ooh. We might be needing to eat that on-flight service. That not Fly Safi. What's the other one? What's the other local one, man? That still gives you food.
Is that Airlink?
Airlink. We might be chowing down on those chicken or beef, little Samis.
Yo, Mad Crew as well, bro. We answered that question already.
Is CJ legit?
Yo.
My question is I don't know what his hair looks like now. Can you trust the guy that's hair?
There'll be a CPI is against us.
We're actually going to get Mode to film this. We're going to milk this, Chad. If we kill CPI today, we are launching the 1,000 Rand CPI signals.
The starter pack.
The CPI starter pack, how we killed CPI once, and we're going to milk that for the rest of the year. And then also the CPI starter pack for 1,000 Rand for only 10 people, but we're going to have 1,000 groups of 10 people in them. So it's still technically only 10 people, but multiple groups. Oh, did he shave it? Hey, that man is going through a lot, eh? That is actually a good one, Keeks. Callan, you should just do a no reaction challenge on CPI, win or lose. Just have no reaction. That's a dope one. Just be like, okay, US30 gold just Keeks. I don't know, bro. What is going on here, my dude?
I'm chilling, bro.
Yo.
The news trading robots. Ooh.
Yo. Don't tell me somebody released the robot.
CJ trades like his golf swing. Cuck. We'll pass by PE with the rest of my questions rather. Oh, sorry, guys.
No stress, Andre. No stress, my brother. That will be sick for the social if it goes in your favor. Just a no reaction. Oh.
And then just at the end, bro, while those profits are flowing there,
You just walk away.
we ain't the same. Just my boy.
Are we gonna chalk that stream? So we're gonna play some music for the
Yeah.
for the
We're gonna have vibes going there, Chad.
Chad, here's the thing: 300 likes on the stream unlocks the music. So 300 likes or 200 Rand dono. And then every song we play is dedicated to the donor. Yeah, yen pairs or... Do you know what I might actually do? I'm going to trade CPI on 2 accounts, 1 buy, 1 sell. Calendar, you have a signals group or something. That's what the guys usually do. And then they market the one. It's like, oh,
Whichever one won.
Chopperara. Happy Buddha's birthday, guys. Buddha. Is it today?
I don't know.
Is there Buddha in the chat or is it actually talking about Buddha? Quan Zeus. Juan Dig. Quick one is the upper. No. I feel like Joshua Fredericks recently discovered trading, and now he went onto his Instagram and he typed in hashtag trading, and literally all the scammers are popping up. Kicks, but how are you going to keep the energy up if CPI tickles us? If CPI is a little tickler.
We're gonna
Tickle.
We'll just play some more sad music, bro. We'll go through it together, Chad. Hello, darkness, my old friend. We will find a way to keep the vibes immaculate.
I feel the boys are tiring themselves out. The guys are psyching. You know those games where you psych yourself out?
Yeah.
The boys get on the field, they chalk. The adrenaline has actually like fatigued you. Chad, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't fatigue yourself now. You guys are building up way too hard for CPI. Take it easy. Deep breath. Do you guys do a little bit of breath work before CPI? Like 10 deep breaths.
You just do a quick uppercut in the stomach and you're good to go.
Little bit of cement.
Yeah.
Sprinkle some cement on that lunch.
Drink some cement and harden
Just
up.
You.
But I hope you know, bro, I'm serious. Like 20 minutes, I'm calling the stream for myself.
20 minutes.
Yeah, 11, bro.
We have to take something.
You did take something.
Well, I didn't take anything. I mean something for the boys. For the boys.
We're taking CPI for the boys.
Chad, it's actually one of the best ways to trade. Find your account with the same amount and just hedge your position with the same lot size. Be consistent for the whole year. Liesel, have you tried it though? Scoop of pre-workout and it's ready to go again. Valid point for Forex Insights. That's why I stopped doing that. Got a wicked both sides. Yeah, I've had that. That's why I'm asking Liesel. Chad's going to bring the energy. Chad, this could be the first 400 concurrent viewers stream. Not maybe this one, but definitely the CPI one. Definitely the CPI one. Are you murdering gold?
This man wanted to close this morning. I
Show
told
me,
him
show me.
hold it.
Let me see it. What is this?
Don't look at.
Must I not look at you being down 3% on your challenge?
Don't look at that. No, that was old times.
Ooh. So let me go. This man feel. Ooh, the history is looking down 3%. That's not bad though.
It's not bad. I'm finally like recovering. I'm finally finding.
Consistency.
Yeah, bro. Look at gold, and I'm there for it. Like all of that.
Okay, bro. So you've taken 230 pips, and you're just swinging for.
I'm
Yo,
seeing a 1 to 2. What do you think? That looks messy.
yo, Mo is Chad. Mo is
If you look at it like that.
yo, Mo.
Don't rip me.
Mo, you've been a busy.
I rose all over.
Yo, Chad, this man has been a busy boy. Huh? Mo, that tells me everything. It's like, sit down, let's have a look here. Look at this busy. Whew. And how long is this? A month?
I don't even know, bro.
Yo, you must be tired from.
Swinging area.
Oh, pre-swing. Okay. Mo, I'm going to be honest with you, broski. I'm going to be very honest with you. On a massive day like CPI now, I wouldn't go further than 23.75. I would even here's my thing. You've had, bro. This is solid. I'm not saying I don't want to. I'm just saying for me, knowing on a day like today, one 5-minute candle can literally just do this. One 5-minute candle can be a $30 drop, like easy. So I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
I really want to get to a point where I'm growing this like without getting lucky.
I'm saying lock it in, my bro. Yeah, 23.75. Lock it in.
Okay.
I don't know. You don't have to.
No, bro. Like I'm not gonna
Amina, I'm thinking 500 if we do a post as well. Geeks, are we going to do a story post? Trade CPI live with us today. Womp, womp, womp.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, bro. We're doing it. We are doing it.
Matthew Smith in the building, baby. 2G's. 2G's discount code is live now. Are you going to do a story post or are we going to keep it low key? No, let's push
For
it.
what?
Let's push it. CPI.
I already did a story post this morning.
For CPI?
Yep.
But did you put in the...
No, but I just did
Okay.
links and everything and trade live with us.
Alright.
That's already done, bro.
Now the boys, imagine all these funny account with 100k and take a position in a CP without any stop loss and target they're all guessing they're not proper traders. They don't have close to 100k in an account. I promise you. Hey, Wayne Kutzer here, destroying gold. Wayne Kutzer here, Stouter. Let's have a look at Wayne's position here. 4 hour, I think him and Mo took the same position. Yeah, that monthly pivot. Yeah, that was yesterday. There's that break of structure. There's that minor break of structure. There's that hold above the level. We talked about this, that key level 2340. And the boys, oh no, you took it. Oh, you took it on discount. Yeah. Yes, and then waiting for a bottom wick. So this is Wayne. And taking it off here. Wayne, beautiful trade. I don't know where your stop was. My stop on this. The safe stop, I would say, would have been there. The more aggressive stop you could have put there. So you're not getting a lot, but beautiful, beautiful trade. And all of this, Chad, is in the Discord. This setup right here, if you go into the Discord under buy reversals, this is literally that setup there. Market structure B. It is exactly that. Market structure B. If I go back to the chart, there you can see it, that flip. Beautiful. We're going to do one more giveaway here today, Keeks.
You can do that, brother.
We're going to leave it for CPI.
Actually, let's do the CPI. Let's get this volume up in CPI.
Yeah. CPI is gonna be Carl Bester, we're gonna keep it. We wanna build CPI. We wanna build CPI. So we must we enter beforehand, Geeks? Is that the rule? Is that the rule of CPI?
Yep.
Otherwise, you cannot say you killed it.
No.
Ooh, Chad. Boys are feeling rough. The boys. I don't know, Chad. I haven't traded news like this in many years. I'm actually even a little bit. It's not even a lot of money. It's just it feels wrong. It's like that let's say morally it just feels wrong to me. I feel like I'm that guy now. I'm that guy now in the group that's like, Keeks, I feel a little bit dirty doing this. Feeling cute, might throw myself a protein shake, blow an account later.
That's it, bro. That's the way.
Okay, but let's see. Are we gonna do? Are we first gonna do positive affirmations beforehand? Like we affirm
Yes.
CPI has been destroyed. It just hasn't been happened yet.
Yeah.
Okay, is that what we're doing?
We're gonna manifest it.
Oof, oof. Okay, Chad, I'm gonna go now and get my account ready right now. As
Did
we
you do that earlier?
No, I was first sorting out my passwords. Let me just reload here. So for CPI, guys, you're gonna have myself, you're gonna have Keegan, you're gonna have Mo, you're gonna have Jev. You guys are getting everyone here.
We're all gonna be at Chad.
It is a CPI group here a little bit later. And I don't know if you guys saw the new Apple AirPods, the little subwoofer you get with it. So the CPI could tickle our, we could feel the bass. You're kicks, but you're not playing, my brother. You're not messing around. You're making me feel like
Join in with the party, bro. Could be a DJ with me.
Joe, I don't actually have money like that to throw around. I'm not a baller like you, bro. That's the thing, though.
Janti, just join us for CPI. You'll see what our bias is.
Bro, CPI, mate. Yo. That's what I'm saying. Oof, Chad, the deposit method is it's already, the boys are already on. Get your deposits live now, baby. Kicks, let me just, because there might be some personal information that gets shared here. Chat, so I just want to deposit.
Go for it.
Bro, do you think the broker owners are sweating before an event like this? They're sitting there, it's like, all right, boys. We are either going to get smoked here today or we are going to be smoking these traders for lunch. And then, like, when we shout and they're like, oh, damn, we just got absolutely destroyed here. I know a broker like that where the Asian market, Chad, I don't know what the Asian lads are busy with, but they got absolutely, it was a international broker. They were local as well. But they got absolutely nuked. And they had to start A-booking because the Asian market just ripped them. So when you talk about guys finding loopholes, the Asians are on another level. The Asian brethren are the guys that have the high frequency trading stuff. They've got the arbitrage. They are doing... Okay, Keegs, you had a good week last week, so you're like, it's just trading profits. I'm risking. I'm risking like money, savings. I had to delve into savings, bro, for this.
My word.
This is money that could have gone towards my kids' education, and now it's like feeling cute. Might need to sell a course later.
Literally. That's what we need to do, bro. Bring these money bags in.
Okay, let me... Okay, Chad, the funds have landed now, just to get into the trade account quick. Yeah. The champ is here.
Could have gone and bought ourselves like maybe a nice new monitor.
Bro, what are we doing? This is what I'm saying. What are we doing for that 5 seconds of it's maybe let's call it 5 minutes of the heart rate's a little bit elevated and everybody's a little excited and Okay, let's be honest. Let's say we smash it. We make a young 30, 40K. What are you doing with your 40K?
I already told the missus I'll take her on a little bit of a shopping trip.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey.
So I said I'll already go spend some money on her.
So she's sitting here.
She's wanting us to win.
CPI, CPI, let's go, baby. I've got your back.
Yeah,
I love you. I love you.
Yeah, pretty much that. And then, honestly, hey, there's nothing like I'd say straight off the bat like I'm gonna go buy this.
Aren't you gonna buy that monitor though? The 50 inch.
Yeah, there you go. I'm buying the monitor.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing.
Are you gonna keep it at home or are you gonna bring it to the office?
I just think it's staying at home, bro.
Okay.
I'm not having 500 profiles signed in on my monitor.
Let's hear what you guys are gonna be buying.
Wait, what are they saying? What are you buying?
Me?
M3.
You're for 40K. That's like one tire. No, I'm kidding. I'm going to be honest. If I can make a young bag of, let's say, 40, 50K, you see, you guys are very selfish. I'm thinking about the channel.
Actually, I might buy the camera. You know what? I won't buy the monitor. I'll buy the camera.
Okay, so you're going to buy the camera.
Yeah, the new camera.
I'm thinking I want to get that Roadcaster. The one with the buttons.
Oh, okay.
It's like 23, whatever. And then we can use this as the mobile desk. Then we don't have. Then that one stays in the studio, and we can. Yeah, I think I'll buy like studio equipment, eh?
Yeah, I think to be fair, I'd do the camera because I know again the missus is off my case, so it's a win-win. And it's content for the channel, more upgrades for us.
Okay, where do I? Okay, now I need to figure out which account is which. Okay, let's try this, Chad. Let me know what you guys are buying. iPad M4. Okay, Chad, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm actually looking forward to it. I'm gonna read through now. Let me know what you guys. That's the beauty of dreaming, or not dreaming, just like a little bit of foresight.
Yeah. The thing is, Rooks, it is an investment. But like I said, there's a lot of behind the scenes. I think people don't see what it takes to do all the media and content and stuff that we do. So I mean, we already have 3 cameras, so let's just keep on adding to it and just upgrading the equipment we have.
What is he saying about an investment?
No, he's just saying like a camera would be a good investment.
Oh yeah. The thing is, the studio we've got a plan where we wanted let's call it the final form of the stream.
Yeah.
And it's still gonna take quite a bit of equipment. At the end of the day, later on, we don't want to have a mic like this. We actually want to have like a lapel mic when you live stream, so there's nothing in front of us. You can freely move. So
get those proper Rode.
Not even Rode. There's better ones. There's like media ones that they use for news. So there's like proper studio ones. Okay, why is this thing saying account? Ah, there we go. Okay. Kiga Darius. What account is this?
So just make sure you're in your one.
Okay, but they archived the other stuff. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they archived it. Okay, let me put the monies in here, Chad. Bro, so the guys are literally going to see in front of their eyes either we're gonna be screaming or we're gonna be nuked. Like literally, we're gonna have both terminals.
You know what I
chat.
hope, eh?
Both terminals you're gonna see.
You know what I hope is it doesn't turn into a Raja moment where it shoots our direction and we're like,
and then like,
and then it just turns around, bro, and then it's like, oh.
Are you gonna do it at TP level, or are you gonna like
what I want to do
close?
is I want to see what the number comes out as. I made that mistake with NFP. I closed and it was a massive miss, and that thing took
too
off.
early. Okay.
I literally just want to see what the number's gonna come out. If that number's a miss, like we're talking, then I'm holding. If it's a closest number, then I'll close the trade.
Here's the thing: I've never put 500,000 rand on CPI. Like that is the thing. And I'm just gonna do it because the thing is, I was yesterday at BMW, and the thing is, those M3s are not gonna buy themselves. So sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Oh damn! This is just a normal. This is a no bonus.
Unfortunately, bro, we wouldn't be giving them away. As I say, we keep everything to, as you say, we build it as a whole on production. Yeah, so these mics become for the podcasts, and yeah, so our equipment gear is just growing. So no, maybe in the future we do giveaways, but yeah, not giving these babies away.
Or the lads asking if we can give away all of our equipment.
No, they're saying when we do get new mics, maybe we can give away these ones to the followers. And I was like, no, maybe we'll do other giveaways, but yeah,
Chad,
not
that
these
is
babies. That's the thing, bro. When you build in production, everything stays. It's just you keep growing your equipment.
This becomes your B setup, your travel setup.
But I like the enthusiasm. Like I like it.
Here's my thing. I don't mind giving stuff away, but for the most part, what we're doing here is coming out of our own pocket.
Yeah.
So it's not like we have, we're not selling courses, we're not doing all of this. So we don't have just money to throw. Like we need to steward our funds well. If I was selling signals and courses and making 300-400k a month, like, Chad, I wouldn't do 1,000 rand giveaways like some of these guys do. They make literally millions off their people, and they think they spoil you with 1,000 rand giveaway. It just blows my mind.
My thing is a guy that, for example, another one, I'm not going to say names now, but man claims he's a multi-millionaire, but his giveaway is 10,000 rand. And you've got to pay him first. What's it? 1,000 rand to enter. So 10 people just sign up for the giveaway, and he's made the money he's giving away.
Then it's not a giveaway. Then it's
like, let's just say he does 50. I mean, he's already made 50k. He's only giving 10. He's still up 40k. Like, guys, like that's not. You are still getting done in so badly by these folks. Like, my thing is, I 100%, I definitely want to do it. When we are on that level, I want to be, and I think Chris, giving away cars, like giving away proper stuff when we're on that level.
Like Mr. Beast level. Yeah. That would be dope.
If that's the level we at, you can do things like that. Again.
Chad, why do I...
Are you so busy there, bro?
Deposit, no credit. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what account is this. I've got 3 MT5 accounts, but I'm not the first one was not the big boy account. Well, not the big boy. The DJing account. So I want to see if this is the DJing account. Chad, who remembers the JP Market days when the boys used to arbitrage on that 100% bonus? Damn, bro. A lot of people made money. I was too late on it. Did you make money off that?
Me?
The deposit.
Bro, when I started trading JP, I wasn't even around anymore.
Is all my accounts no bonus, nothing. What is this? What is this madness here?
Alright, bro.
Wait. Let me just finish this deposit.
Are you still gonna sit here?
Bro, No. We need to like
End
land the
early.
plane. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, just give me a second.
Okay, no. If you are gonna end early, I'll wait for you to end.
Chad, give me a second before we land this plane before CPI.
Jason gives away cars, which giveaways. Pity nobody ever gets those cars though. RIP. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. He did a car giveaway, and then the guy that won it disappeared. The car
Yeah.
disappeared. So yeah, that was an interesting one. Gives away a car, and magically the car and the winner don't exist anymore.
Let me not say anything, Chad. I'm just trying to find a 200% bonus account here, and I hope it's not on MT4 because Chad, here's my thing. If you're still on MT4, please get off MT4. You can't complain about slippage and all of that. MT4 is ancient. That's why you only have 2 decimals on MT4. Get off MT4, please. Okay, now I'm not being able to. What is this? Previously incomplete internal transfer found. Please contact. No, man. Oh, the dreaded support. Oh.
Those funds of yours just got lost in the metaverse, bro.
No, it's still, I see it here in the account, but it's not a, what's the name account? It's not a full, and obviously the last account now is going to be the full margin account. Let me log into this one. The full margin account. Let's log into this last one. Full margin. Oh, Chad, now I need to go through support for this bad boy. Foo-foo. I hate support with any company. Like, I just hate it. I know, because the thing is, you want immediate answers. They can't give you immediate answers. What do you guys think about Trade Locker? Horrific. Apparently it's going to become, no. Apparently they're trying to push a narrative which is non-existent. Trade Locker is just the biggest piece of shit you'll find. It is horrific, Chad. There's only 2 platforms you can ever trust, and that's C-Trader and MetaTrader. The rest is just... The rest, the guys are just vibing. Bro, we never talked about TFF, man. Bro. How is that? Oh, we did talk a little bit about it. We did. Yeah, here's the bonus account. My goodness. Okay, let's try it once more. The funds are sitting here. Okay. 2048. Are you guys gonna go shopping straight after the stream, bro? Tomorrow?
No, like another day, not now.
Another day.
No, not now.
But what if you spend that money before the shot? Do you just say like, sorry, babe? It was a joke. It's all vibes. I think I might spoil my wife as well. Just seeing in that spirit of,
Just get ourselves out the dark box.
yeah, just line yourself up for greatness.
Yeah. Okay, think ahead, bro.
Yeah.
Think smart and not harder. Because
I
when I go
think-
and I spend money, she's not going to be like, yeah, sis, why are you spending that? She's going to just be like, she got spoiled. That's my spoils. Keep quiet. Go. Then it's a win-win. Where if you spend money first, I get something thrown at me. Why are we spending money?
Chad, okay, let's see the support. Let's see. I'm gonna physically test the support now, and somebody might get fired here today. Somebody might get fired here today.
So guys, the PE guys, we can all go on a shopping trip together at Woodman Park.
Yeah, boy. Okay.
Showing you guys trading profits.
Okay, guys, I'm not gonna go through my normal like my let's call it my regular channel, I'm gonna go through it the way that you guys go through it. Okay.
But support.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
test it now. So I'm telling you guys, somebody's gonna get clapped today. So if some of the support guys are watching here today, all I'm saying is somebody's gonna get talked to today. Chat. Okay. So let me just get my WhatsApp on here. I'm using the WhatsApp one. So Vault Markets. Let's have a look here. Vault Markets. I've got a support issue where it's saying previously incomplete internal transfers found. Please contact help at vaultmarkets.trade. That is obviously for email, but I'm gonna go. What's the name here? I want to go the WhatsApp route. Okay. So let's start that WhatsApp chat now. Continue to chat. Use WhatsApp web. I'm on the WhatsApp web. Come on. Give it to me. Starting chat. Let's see. Okay, it's still waiting on WhatsApp. Somebody ran into the support office. Chris is gonna log a ticket. Be on the lookout. No, I'm kidding. Filter by this artist. Okay, Vault Markets. So, good morning. Okay, this is obviously going to be a very busy day for the support team. So I can almost tell you, you're assigned to Chatwin. We will respond promptly. Beautiful Chatwin. Here's a screenshot. Could you please assist? Oh damn, the guy already instant. How can I assist you? Chatwin. Chatwin, if you're watching the stream here, it has been phenomenal so far. Not even 30 seconds, Chatwin. Okay, chat, just sent him the screenshot
now. We're
now.
halfway there though.
Yeah, just sent him a screenshot now. Let's see. Please provide your email address linked to your Vault Markets. Chat, it's been going swimmingly. I don't know if the guys were listening into the stream, but so far it has been instantaneous. So I don't know if the guys are complaining about the support. So far it has just been a pleasure here. Okay, please provide your email. Okay, I sent that. Okay, now the right thing for Chatwin to do is to say, good day sir, give me a couple of minutes as I investigate the issue here for you.
I'll laugh, brother, man. Just comes back with like, Rosa.
Always gonna come into the chat and say, it's me, Chatwin. Just absolutely destroying the support. Chat, so far it has been an absolute pleasure. 11:13. It's not been a minute. Sent a screenshot. Oh, they're phoning me now. Do you think after that podcast with if RiseFX was still open, if they see you deposit quite a bit of money before CPI, then they phone you to say rather than trade CPI? Hey bro, don't trade. Like, why do you want to trade CPI with 500k? Like, rather put that towards a home or business. Okay, chat, it's been 11. It's been 1 minute so far.
Guys, this is Chris's way of keeping the stream going.
No, we can go full chats. Let's go full screen. Chat, we did. I took a little stabberino there at GU. GU just running like it's nobody's business. Gigs, I don't know, bro. It's going to be an interesting. Obviously, we still have, what is it, 3 hours? 3 hours before, actually 3.5 hours. Okay, Chad, wait. Let me just say what they responded now. This matter has been escalated for you for the issue to be removed from your profile. We do apologize for the inconvenience caused. And then, remember, these are people, chat. So then you just say, thank you, Chatwin. Have an awesome day. Do not just leave them there. Just say, thank you, brother. Have an awesome day. And the thing is, I don't have access to that email. Keegs, I might need to raw dog this thing, without the bonus.
Oh.
Without the bonus. Vault support is robots. No man Jex. No man Jex. It's a pleasure, you too. No man Jex. I think if you change your approach, you can get a lot more done. Jacob Wolf. Okay, chat. Keegs, what day is it today? Keegs, what day is it today?
CPI day, baby.
How are we feeling today, Keegs?
I'm feeling good, bro. Feeling uplifted.
Chad, my fund, okay, I already did the funds are in the account. Now it's just getting it into the right account. 2:10, myself, Keegan, Javon, Mo. The CPI special. We haven't done any of these. Jakes, I have read your chats, my brother. We're not doing anything now for the rest of the session, Jakes. So give me a call on Instagram if you want to chat. We can chat. 2:10. The madness begins as we build up for CPI today. We've dropped little hints. I'm going to be honest, though. I was very confident with my buys coming into this morning. The bearish dollar, I loved all of that bearish talk. I still even told my wife, I'm getting takeaways tonight. All this bearish dollar has just got me riled up. And she's like, what do you mean? I said, you'll see. But anyway, forget that. We're talking now about already at the weekly lows before CPI. This now becomes a little bit messy for me, but we'll see. If anyone is on the signals group with any of these other guys, please let us know what they are doing so we can do the opposite, or maybe even stay out if it's conflicting. If all of them are looking for buys, then we'll sell. If all of them are looking for sells, we'll buy. So very, very simple. Keeks, any closing remarks for the Chatadonia before we...
I think, Chad, very, very simple out here today. Market's not doing too much for us. We have a plan. We're going to stick to the plan, follow through with it, and CPI, as I said, we'll break it down exactly why we're looking for what we're looking for, and just make sure you're ready for it. As I say, guys, lastly, again, broken record, but we don't condone this. It's just something we're doing for fun. So please either come join us for the vibes and don't trade, and if you do trade, just always be prepared that basically whatever you put in that account, you parting ways with. I'm not guaranteeing you. Chris isn't guaranteeing you. None of us are guaranteeing you you're going to make money. So just please be aware of that going into CPI.
Chad, that is a session a little bit shorter than usual, but CPI, baby, 2:10. We've got the entire gang here. I don't know. It could be good, could be bad, could be a little bit messy, but we'll see. PPI yesterday already giving us a little taste. But Chad, do appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for the dono. We're gonna see you 2:10. Take a rest now. Get ready. Don't overpsych yourself. I've seen that. You overpsych yourself. and you've got no energy left. By the time you get to the game, you are flat. Take it easy. Go grab a lunch. Keegan's already having the popcorn. That Afrikaans wants to come out. Popcorn. Keegan het al klaar die popcorn hier. Popcorn. Dog. Anyway, there we go, baby. See you guys. 10 past 2. I'm a little bit excited. I'm feeling a little spicy. I don't know. Is this what it feels like to be? Kicks, is this what it feels like to be back in the dating pool? Like that, where you're still looking. That first date, you're feeling a little sexy. You're feeling a little like things can happen. Yeah, I don't know. That's what I'm feeling. Feeling cute. There we go. Feeling a little cute. Might grab some drinks later. Pre-drinks, after drinks, and during drinks. I don't know, Chad. Peace and love, baby. We're going to see you 10 past 2. Thanks so much.